Are you worried about your health? Want to learn the secrets to maintaining a balanced and healthy lifestyle without sacrificing flavor or enjoyment? Welcome to Wholesome Eats, where we share the art of nourishing your body with top 5 topics related to health and food. Healthy eating tips and guidelines. Learn how to maintain a balanced and nourishing diet through practical tips and guidelines. Nutritional benefits of specific foods. Discover the power of superfoods and nutrient-packed ingredients that promote optimal health. Meal planning and prepping. Simplify your life with effective meal planning and prepping strategies for wholesome and convenient eating. Special dietary needs and allergies. Find solutions for specific dietary requirements and allergies while still enjoying tasty and satisfying meals. Health-boosting recipes. Explore a collection of delicious recipes that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also support your overall well-being. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest interesting food-related videos.